just before the next interview, cow cod soup is a traditional rustic dish in Jamaican cuisine that is considered an aphrodisiac and made with bull penis or cod. It is traditionally cooked with bananas and Scotch bonnet peppers in a white rum-based broth. And he says cow cod is a rural delicacy. Yeah, there you go.
I just thought you'd have to share that.
Yeah, because we were talking, and obviously some of these people don't know what I'm going. Let's move on. So if you're a noodle and shrimp person, then this is for you. Joining me from her kitchen via Zoom is the chef, owner, and self-taught cook of Paige's Plates, Paige Nash, to tell us what she has been up to and what she'll be preparing this morning. Morning, my friend.
Hi,
How are you?
great, thank you.
Yeah? What is Paige's Plates? Tell me about Paige's Plates. What's that?
Okay, so I am a self-taught chef or home cook, as you would call it. So what I do is I do recipe development, I do food styling, and food photography. So if you check out my Instagram, which is Paige's Plates JA, you can see everything that I do. And I have weekly sales since we're all stuck at home. So if you actually want to taste my food, you can.
Yeah. When you say self-taught, you just go into the kitchen and just start cook and burn down two plates first, and then all of a sudden you get it right. What that mean?
I've never burnt down anything, so my mother would be very happy about that because she would kill me if I'm in her kitchen. But I'm so into cooking that I'm always researching new stuff. I watch videos. So, for example, I learned to make croissants off of YouTube. And then by doing it myself, just using trial and error, I figured out ways to make it work for me. And it tastes good, so that means it's working.
Yeah. Just before you tell us what you're going to do this morning, where did this come from? Why the love of the kitchen and the love of cooking and stuff? Where did that come from?
To be honest, I've always loved cooking. From I was about maybe 6, I've been helping my mom cook Christmas dinner, and I think that's where it started. And it was never, oh, you're forced to come, so you have to help me, you have to do this. I always wanted to. So me and my twin brothers would fight over helping my mom in the kitchen, and I'm just the one that took it a step further than helping with Christmas dinner alone.
Yeah. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I don't think I have a favorite dish to cook.
What's your favorite dish to eat?
Um, I don't know what my favorite thing to eat is. There's so many different stuff. I can't choose just one.
Okay. What you gonna do for us this morning?
Okay, so this morning I'm gonna be making teriyaki noodles and crispy breaded shrimp. So
Teriyaki.
this recipe,
Teriyaki noodles.
yes,
Yeah. And?
and then some crispy breaded shrimp to go on top.
All right, talk us through it. Let's go and talk us through it.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the noodles first, and then I'm gonna make the shrimp for you guys.
Okay.
So this recipe actually takes about 35 minutes, but I'm gonna show you that I can do it in 10.
All right, let's go. I don't think we have that much time here, so you might have to show me a finished dish later on, but let's go.
Yeah, no problem. So in this bowl, I have teriyaki sauce, and to make that, you're just gonna heat your pan. You're gonna add the sauce to the pan, and in this sauce is soy sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, and some sugar. If you
Okay.
don't have any honey, you can use sugar, which is what I usually do. So to make that sauce thicken, you're gonna add some cornstarch and water.
Okay.
Mix that up and add that in. And we're gonna leave that on high heat to thicken. So we're gonna mix this up. And then to make our shrimp now, we're gonna take our shrimp, already peeled and deveined and butterflied.
Okay.
So a flour mixture here. This is the panko breadcrumbs, and this is an egg that I've beaten. So after everything, you guys can check out my page for the full breakdown of the recipe. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my shrimp to the flour, dip it in the egg, and then cover it in the breadcrumbs. And then we're gonna fry this until each side is golden brown.
About how long that would take?
So that's literally like maybe 45 seconds
Okay, great.
or 30 seconds. Shrimp cooks very, very quickly. So a trick to get your shrimp very, very crunchy is you pat it dry right before you dip it in the flour so that all the excess moisture can come off. And then you just drop it in the oil. Make sure your oil is very, very hot. And then that's it. So our sauce over there is thickening very quickly. So this meal really does not take long. So if you come home and you're tired and you just want something really quick and easy, then this is the recipe for you. It's really, really easy and it tastes so good.
I can imagine. It looks good from here. You're going to send that for us, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay. No, right?
Yeah, I'll come when I'm leaving home and I'll just drop it for you. So to our sauce over here that's thickening, I'm gonna add some spaghetti. Now, traditionally you use egg noodles, but egg noodles is not something that Jamaican people usually eat. So there's always a way to make things easier, and I'm all for that. Easy cooking is the best way.
Yeah. Paige, while you do that, do you have a physical space? And did you have one before COVID?
No, I usually cook from home. So I don't have an actual restaurant or somewhere that you can come and visit me.
So what you do, you cater, you do breakfast, you do lunch, you do dinner, what do you do?
I usually just have weekly sales. So for example, this week I'm doing something with spring rolls and something called bao buns, which if you know what sao baos are.
Yeah.
You guys know what sao baos are? Yeah, so bao buns are like sao baos. So it's crispy pork belly and you add your sesame seeds and your cucumber and your chili peppers and you eat it like a sandwich.
Okay. Cocoa bread and spicy escovitch fish sandwiches. Here you go. Almost finished?
Almost. How much more time do I have?
Couple of minutes.
Okay. Well, that's all I need. The shrimp are basically finished.
No, couple as in two.
Yeah, that's fine. The shrimp are done. So what you see there is actually what I'm having on my sale this week.
Okay. 5 spice braised pork belly. Julienne cucumbers, whatever that means.
Julienne is just the way that you cut them.
Julienne is what?
It's the way that you cut them so they're very thinly sliced.
Okay, first I know that.
So our shrimp are finished.
So again, if we wanted to get some of your stuff, what do we do? We call you, we email you.
You can send a message to my Instagram page.
Yeah.
And then I'll give you all the details from there, how to place your orders and everything.
And I can get anything I want for as many people as I want, or no?
Not as many people as you want. So if, for example, you're having a little lunch or a little dinner, although right now you're not allowed to invite more than 10 people. So I'm good for 10 people.
Okay.
My max is about 20.
Yeah.
So I don't cater more than 20, 25.
All right. And what kind of lead up time I need? If I'm having something this weekend here at home with 15 people, what kind of lead up I need?
Well, you just have to tell me at least a week and a half, 2 weeks before.
Oh, 2 weeks before. Okay.
Yeah, I need at least 2 weeks because you have to go to the supermarket, plan out the menu properly.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna play this now for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you how to do all of the food styling.
Quickly, because you have 10 seconds.
Okay, so.
But you did it in time. You did it in time. You did it in time.
So you add your noodles, and then top with your shrimp. And then you sprinkle with some sesame seeds that I forgot to put beside me. So I'm not going to run and go and get it.
No.
So this is finished product here.
Right there is
so
good.
You have your noodles and your shrimp.
Yep. And you will
And
send
that's
it.
basically,
And you will send it with your bearer for me now, right?
yes, because I know that you're a seafood person.
Thank you very much. Good to see you. Tell me again.
Okay, you
Tell me again how you're found quickly, and then we go.
Paige is Paige JA on
And
Instagram.
that's Paige.
Yes, PAI. Paige with an I. Paige plates. Paige's plates. Yes, like the logo there.
There you go.
JA.
Thanks a lot, and stay safe. All right.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, man. Paige Nash, owner of Paige's Plates. There you go. Going to take a break, and then we come back with lots more. So come.